Have a nice day, everyone. This time I will complete the aircraft parts, part 5, life limited parts. As an example, in the 3 chapters, chapter 28, fuel, chapter 30, anti-ice, chapter 31, instruments. Chapter 28, fuel, replace ACT, air inlet filter. ACT means additional center fuel tank. Okay, some aircraft has it and some others don't have this. Where is the center tanks? This is the center tank here, and here the additional center tank. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Okay, this is the additional center tank or auxiliary center tank, additional to the main center tank here. Okay. In chapter 30, anti-ice. Replace wing anti-icing filter. For what? The wing anti-ice system here, the 3 leading edge, the 3 mid leading edge slats here. If they're icing here, it's a problem to make takeoff for the aircraft. So we need to heat this area to melt any icing here. Okay, here is the air filter, replace it. The wing anti-ice system provides bleed air to 3 mid-wing leading edge slats. So you must replace the air in here, anti-icing filter. Okay, here the wing anti-icing system, we spoke about this with chapter 31, instruments. There are 2 items here. Number 1, remove clock and discard the battery of the clock if applicable, because some clocks has battery and other hasn't. The second item, DFDR, digital flight data recorder. Some of it enhanced digital flight data recorder. So discard the underwater locator beacon batteries. Okay, where is? Here is the clock, if has battery, and here the location of DFDR and also voice recorder as the tail, because in more accidents and most accidents, the tail be safe here. This is the digital flight data recorder and its battery. Okay, I am waiting your comments and your suggestion. Thank you very much and goodbye.